That's correct. If there's one stock which was really stood out in today's trading action, and that was Reliance Industries, gaining over 5%. In fact, 5 to 6% gains coming in on that one, helping hand to the entire market on a day coinciding when the markets have actually taken out the previous highs. So big move coming in. In fact, we have not seen such a big move in Reliance Industries stock for almost 8 months. So it's kind of a sleeping giant which got woken up in today's trade. One of the biggest fundamental factors which really was responsible for people realizing that this is a under-owned stock right now, has been in a sideways corrective move for a very long time, is the Petchem end of the business. In fact, Bernstein came out with a note and said that polymer spreads have actually edged to a decade high, and this is actually helping Reliance's Petchem end of the division, which is actually a big portion of their overall numbers, and the profitability in Petchem end of the business can surge very sharply, as much as 50% going forward. So that actually really sparked a big rally in Reliance Industries stock. In fact, if you look at the last couple of quarterly results, you would see that Petchem has actually done bulk of heavy lifting. Even at a time earlier when refining was undergoing through a soft patch, when probably Geo also was undergoing through a soft patch and contribution was very lackluster, Petchem was doing bulk of heavy lifting. So cycle seemed to be in favor of Petchem. In fact, Bernstein goes on to say that this will also aid the transaction which has been in the works, which is O2C. It increases the possibility of that transaction sooner than later, which has been in abeyance for some time now. And Mukesh Ambani have themselves, the company has themselves acknowledged that there are some delays due to COVID and international volatility. So that actually could, from back burner, could come to the fore. That's what Bernstein believes. But otherwise too, if you listen to the con calls of some of the other oil refiners like IOC or even HPCL, one gets a sense that probably there is also some amount of recovery which is happening in the refining cycle. Singapore refining margins have rebounded very sharply, and Reliance's refinery is actually much more complex refinery of higher Nelson complexity, and this actually tracks Singapore refining margins very well. So keep an eye out there also. Bernstein, however, believes that the kind of underperformance, the 40% underperformance the stock has actually displayed versus Nifty, could be in for some kind of a reversal. Remember, the stock hasn't done anything, has been on a sideways corrective phase. So if this is the way fundamentals are improving, then the reversal in underperformance could also come. So watch out for all of that.